Hi guys, this is Pappy with the Red Wagon Craft Company. Today we're going to be bringing you another brain teaser, a 3-ring wire puzzle. It consists of 2 parts, a lock with 3 rings, 1, 2, 3, and a key. The object is to put the key on the lock all the way to the center. We'll show you how to do that in a moment. You need to start by collecting your materials. You'll need some wire, pliers, and the pattern, which you can download off our website. The link is in the description below. When I made my puzzle, I started at the center and I began to bend at 90-degree angles, following my pattern until I came to the very end, where I bent over a little loop, trimmed my wire, and that's where my first loop is attached. My second loop is actually attached on the outside part of the puzzle, and then the final loop is on the very inside. So the object is to put the key onto the lock. To do so, you'll first have to navigate, because both rings are on the outside loop. You'll need to first pick up both rings with the key, going through the center of both rings. Come around the hoop, drop off your first ring, continue keeping your key in the first loop, reverse the direction, come back over the hoop, and drop off your second ring. Now you're on the inside. So you want to go through your inside ring, over your hoop, back down, drop off the ring. Now you're in the center. To take it off, you just reverse the process. Come underneath the ring, around the hoop, and you're out. Now you can come and pick up your first ring on the outside hoop, pick them up, go around the hoop so you can get behind it and pick up the second ring, looping through both the first and the second, come back, reverse the direction, come back around the hoop, and you're free. Again, one more time just to make sure you saw. Go through both hoops, both rings, go around the hoop, drop off your first ring, reverse the direction, come back, drop off your second ring. Now you're on the inside. Go through the inside ring, over the hoop, drop it off, slide underneath it. Reverse it, pick up the first ring, around the hoop. Now you're on the outside. Come to the, pick up the outside ring, the first outside ring. Go around the hoop. That allows you on the inside, so you could get into your second ring, back through your first ring, around the hoop, and you're free. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. The links are in the description below. Comment, like, share. Visit our website to get the PDF download. And find us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. I hope you liked today's video, and we'll see you again next week.